have an outro to the last video, so sorry, I just didn't. I would have felt really weird doing it in front of them, so I just didn't do it. So it'll be in text. I think he wanted to do like a little race. That car wasn't there. Whoa. Okay, I guess I took off. I'll wait for them to catch up. Told them I wanted to get like rolling shots of them, and obviously they have to go in front of me for me to do that. I kind of forgot last video, and I just stayed up front the whole time. But I'll let them go in front of me now. Make sure I was recording there. You want to race? What? You want to race? Oh, yeah. I got you put up to 65, though. Oh, yeah. I will, too. He only has 130 miles on that bike. He just got it last week. So, he's on the break-in period. It sounds good. I'll get some of the MT07 now. Leave him behind if he keeps going. It sounded really good. Not gonna lie, it feels really weird just staring at them, but that's where the camera is, so. That thing is very loud, but it sounds good. I guess they're staying behind me now. I was gonna try to get more rolling shots for it. I don't know why the flag's at half. I noticed that earlier today. I'm not sure what for. Gotta get a rolling shot of him chilling. Oh, he's got riding shoes. That's smart. Imagine wearing like actual riding shoes. What a good idea. Oh, I just slapped my GoPro off of my helmet. That's crazy. I did the cop slap so hard that my GoPro just came off. Well, how am I supposed to do this? This is a very bad place for this to happen. Nice. Thank God that I caught that. Okay, it should be good. I have very good reflexes, which I'm very thankful for, especially right now. I just heard a thud against the bike, so I looked down because I was like, what was that? And I just see the GoPro quickly sliding off of my gas tank down towards the road. It slid right out of the chin mount because one of the tabs is broken. Oh, nice. Put your turn signal on, then don't do it. That was scary. That was the worst, probably the worst possible time for that to happen too, because we were about to split ways. And I was going through because red lights and stuff, well, like, luckily they were green, but could have been red. Then I would have been real screwed. But we're good. There's a whole other lane you could get in. Now that the GoPro situation should be figured out. For now. I can say it was cool riding with those guys. If you watch us, it was nice to meet you. We definitely had fun. That's the first time since I've moved that I've gone riding with anybody else. So it was fun. Seemed like good guys. I also learned that you don't need to slap your head that hard to signal that there's a cop. That was almost a very expensive head pat. He did say about getting my number so that we could go riding again sometime, which I'd definitely be down for. It's nice to have other people occasionally. I'm currently blind. That's the only problem about riding in the evening. So like, yeah, there's less traffic, the weather's nicer because it's cooled down, and just the overall vibe is better, but you have to deal with that. The sun when it's at like its brightest, and it just blinds you when you're coming around turn like this, or when you come up over a hill, you just get blasted in the face with the sunset. That's like the biggest downside. I mean, besides the time limit until it gets dark, but ooh. Hood pins. Oh, he was staring at me. You should see my other one. No, I'm just kidding. Oh God, there goes a GoPro again. Alright, it was not fixed. What's up? Let's go. First ever motovlog like this? It is for me. Definitely not on YouTube, but for me. This is fun. Now we're really just hanging out. I could definitely use a quick shifter right now. People probably think I'm doing this intentionally, just riding around with a camera like this. They're probably like, what a jackass. No, I promise this isn't my normal. It fell off. Well, this sucks. Oh, I gotta quit showing myself. Because that sun, it looked like it was going right through my visor. Which, if that's the case, you're gonna see me, and I don't want that. Oh, okay, I see the problem. Both tabs broke off, so there's nothing holding it now. That's awesome. I'll have to show you my riding skill here. Don't worry, it's not that impressive. I'm just, Prius has to jump a Prius, that's ironic. I'm just riding with basically one hand. Kind of. Hello, people. Do you guys like the side view? How do we feel about this new camera angle? Digging it? Well, I'm not. This isn't fun. So, I'm gonna have to end this one. Somehow. This feels so weird, because I'm like, still talking to you guys in a video, but the camera's not in front of me. So I feel like I'm talking to myself. Because usually, if the camera's not in front of me, I'm not recording. But I am. Hello, sir. This is wild. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap this one up now and put the camera in my pocket before I lose it. Which I almost did twice. That's crazy, but We'll be back, don't worry. Just have to use another mount. I'll be on my third one. But that's fine. It is what it is, right? Hold on, let me shift. Look at that, back to normal. Look at that sunset. But yeah. Thank you for watching. Shout out to those two guys for riding with me, or letting me join you, actually. And, you know, it was fun. Definitely be down to go again if you want. But with a better, oh my nuts, with a better GoPro mount. One that will actually stay put. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like. Leave a like if you enjoyed. And you guys like this angle? What about this one? Since I have the wind noise blocker thingy, you can't really see me, so I'm fine with this. I feel like I'm cradling you. This is weird. You know, I'm just gonna see you later. Have a good one. I'm blind.